Every perfectly crisp banana chip begins its journey deep inside carefully managed plantations. Precision harvesting protects every banana before factory processing even begins. Each freshly harvested bunch is handled with exceptional care to preserve quality. The first inspection begins before the bananas ever reach the factory. Efficient logistics keep every harvest fresh throughout transportation. Temperature-controlled transport preserves freshness from farm to factory. Every shipment moves directly toward a highly automated production facility. The transformation from fresh bananas to crispy chips begins here. Strict receiving procedures ensure complete product traceability.
Beyond these doors, advanced processing begins with cleaning and sorting.
Inside the factory, strict hygiene standards govern every step of production. Every banana is positioned carefully before automated cleaning begins. Early inspection eliminates imperfections before processing continues. Industrial washing removes natural debris while preserving fruit quality.
Gentle brushing prepares every banana for precision processing.
Controlled airflow removes moisture before automated grading begins.
Uniform sizing ensures consistent slicing and even frying later.
Human expertise works alongside automation to guarantee premium quality. The next stage begins as automation prepares the fruit for slicing. Now the true transformation into banana chips begins. Precision peeling prepares every banana for perfectly uniform slicing. Efficient byproduct handling keeps the production line clean and sustainable. Uniform thickness is the secret to consistently crispy banana chips. Carefully controlled washing preserves both color and freshness. Removing excess moisture prepares the slices for perfect frying. Temperature control determines the final texture of every chip.
Carefully controlled frying transforms fresh bananas into crisp golden chips. Excess oil is removed immediately to achieve the perfect finish. Controlled cooling locks in the signature crunch. Now flavor is applied with remarkable precision and consistency.
Precision seasoning ensures every chip delivers the same perfect taste. Even distribution creates consistent flavor in every batch. Advanced vision systems inspect thousands of chips every second. Every product passes rigorous safety screening before packaging. Automated weighing guarantees precise portions every time. Every pack receives an identical quantity with remarkable accuracy. Modern automation combines speed with exceptional packaging precision. Every sealed package protects freshness from factory to consumer. Automated verification confirms every package meets production standards.
The journey now enters the final stage before reaching customers worldwide.
Every finished pack undergoes another round of precision verification. Every package must meet exact weight specifications. Automated rejection protects product consistency across every batch. Every package receives a unique identity for complete traceability. Industrial robotics maximize both speed and packing accuracy. Secure sealing protects every shipment during transport.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable and secure.
Digital tracking ensures complete visibility throughout the supply chain. Digital tracking ensures complete visibility throughout the supply chain. Before shipment, every production batch must pass one final quality assessment.
Before shipment, every batch undergoes comprehensive quality verification.
Modern laboratories verify both product safety and consistency.
Packaging quality is just as important as the product itself.
Moisture levels determine the crispness customers expect.
Scientific testing confirms the signature crunch of every batch.
Consistent color reflects precise control throughout the frying process.
Cooking oil is monitored continuously to maintain premium quality. Food safety testing protects every consumer with uncompromising standards.
Only products meeting every standard are approved for shipment.
With quality confirmed, the finished product is ready to reach customers around the world. Approved products now enter secure storage before worldwide distribution.
Digital inventory systems monitor every pallet with complete accuracy.
Customer orders are fulfilled through synchronized warehouse automation.
Final verification guarantees complete shipment accuracy.
The final journey begins at the factory loading dock. Every pallet is secured to ensure safe transportation.
Final inspection completes the production journey.
Freshly packed banana chips are now ready for customers around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce banana chips from start to finish.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.